Of Nagpur clashes, Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis talks tough. Devendra Fadnavis said that more than 100 people have been arrested. Identification of culprits is underway. Action will be taken against the culprits. Fadnavis also mentioned that 104 people, in fact, have been identified so far, and action will be taken against all the people who were responsible for clashes in Nagpur. That's the latest update coming in at this point in time. Let's listen in to what Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis had to say. We'll get you that reaction of Devendra Fadnavis in just a bit. But before that, let me go across to my colleague Shivani, who is joining us live right now. Shivani, you were at the area where we saw clashes in Nagpur a couple of days ago, and this was the first visit of Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis. Firstly, can you bring us up to speed with what the Chief Minister had to say, what was his assessment of the situation, and then how the situation is on the ground right now?
Well, clearly we have seen that how the situation is under control. Still, the curfew is in the process, is in the place. But here, the Chief Minister has clearly stated multiple very important things. The very first and the most crucial important detail is that he said that whatsoever loss has been caused to people of Nagpur, of the public property and also of the private property, recovery will be made from all the accused. Those will be proved accused. That if they do not repay the amount, then their properties will be sold, and then the recovery will be made. So there will be no substantial, certain incident that can cause in future as well. There will be no stone unturned that police will be keeping in this very important, riot-like situation that took place. He also stated that 104 people have been arrested by far. There were 68 social media posts. Those were identified that they were spreading hatred and instigating the riots to happen. Those have been deleted from social media accounts, and now more such identification of social media posts and people are being going on. He also mentioned that people who just posted social media posts were instigating people but did not participated physically in the riots. They will also be made co-accused in the case, and similar section will be applied on their FIRs as well.
Right. Shivani, I'm just requesting you to stay on with us. In fact, we have that reaction ready. Here's what the Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Devendra Fadnavis, had to say a short while ago.
बाद में कुछ लोगों ने सोशल मीडिया का उपयोग करते हुए पॉडकास्ट और पोस्ट के माध्यम से और लोगों की भावनाओं को भड़काने का काम किया। जो सीसीटीवी फुटेजेस हमारे पास उपलब्ध थे, अलग अलग लोगों ने वीडियोस दिए थे, उन वीडियोस को भी एनालाइज किया गया। पत्रकारों ने भी पुलिस के पास कुछ वीडियोस दिए, उसको भी एनालाइज करने के बाद जो दंगई है उनकी पहचान कर ली गई है। 104 लोगों को अभी तक पहचान कर पकड़ा गया है, जिसमें 92 लोगों को अरेस्ट किया है। 12-18 साल के अंदर के विधि संघर्षित बालक है, उनको उस कानून के तहत उन पर कार्रवाई की गई है। और जब तक आखिरी दंगई को पकड़ा नहीं जाता, ये कार्रवाई रुकने वाली नहीं है। ये कार्रवाई चलती रहेगी। लगातार एविडेंस आ रहा है, उस एविडेंस के आधार पर ये कार्रवाई यहां पर चल रही है। ये भी तय हुआ है कि ये जितना नुकसान दंगइयों ने किया है, इसका पूरा हिसाब निकाला जाएगा और ये पूरा नुकसान उनसे वसूल किया जाएगा। और अगर वो नुकसान के पैसे नहीं भरते हैं तो उनकी प्रॉपर्टी को बेचकर ये नुकसान भरपाई की जाएगी। किसी भी हालत में इस प्रकार से किसी को दंगा करके दूसरे को नुकसान पहुंचाने की इजाजत नहीं दी जाएगी।
Let's go back to my colleague Shivani, who continues to be with us at this point in time. Shivani, a couple of important points raised by Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis, one of them being 92 people have been arrested, 104 people have been identified, and some of these are under 18 years of age as well. And second, as we just heard him say that whatever damage to public property has taken place during these clashes, that will be recovered from the rioters, and if they do not pay the money, their property will be sold for recovery. If required, bulldozers will be used as well. A strong statement there coming in from the Chief Minister, Shivani.
Well, indeed, a clear message is there for such rioters or those who are supporting them, that there will be no one who will be spared in this action, and not only those who were actively there, physically there, but also those who are trying to instigate through social media, or those who are supporting them just, they will also not be spared. Action will be taken against them. Here the Chief Minister has clearly stated that the last time Nagpur saw any such event or any such riot was back in 1992, and after that Nagpur has been very peaceful city, and those who are trying to bring disturbance, now a new example will be set, that recovery will be made out of those rioters. If required, the properties will be sold. But on the bulldozer question, he clearly stated that Maharashtra has its own set of implementation when it comes to recovery, when it comes to action, and if required, bulldozer will be taken in place. Bulldozer action will also be seen, and he clearly stated that people, those who have participated in riots, we will dwast them, we will just vanish them clearly, and henceforth a strong message has come out. Clearly, he has also stated those who are minors in the very legal provisions, they will also be given the right action, right punishment as well. Similarly, he has stated this entire event of action that took place in Nagpur, 80% of the Nagpur was again peaceful, only 20% was Nagpur that suffered and saw the curfew-like situation. Also, very importantly, he has mentioned that soon Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who will also have a visit in Nagpur, there will be no effect on his entire visit, entire tour, and henceforth Nagpur again will be a peaceful city. But he's also mentioned that similarly there are people, those are instigating people. He also mentioned about the Bangladesh angle in it, Malegaon action angle in it. He stated that there are multiple people, those are found accused in this case, are some or the other way attached with people in Malegaon, political parties in Malegaon, and henceforth a clear involvement of people from Malegaon can be seen. But on the Bangladeshi angle, he has mentioned that social media accounts have been verified, and through some social media IDs of the accused, it is being stated that they do have Bangladeshi connection, which is still under the verification by the Nagpur police. Similarly, he has mentioned that in future also, until the last person who was involved in this riots in Nagpur will be arrested, till then the investigation and action will further continue. So that those are the strong statement coming in from the Chief Minister of Maharashtra, stating that those who try to create unpeace or disturb the law and order situation in Nagpur or Maharashtra across, they will be not spared, and action, strictest action will be taken against them. Similarly, he also mentioned that there were multiple people, multiple CCTVs, those showcased that there were attacks clearly made on policemen. They were instigated targeting on the vehicles of a particular community, and henceforth more stricter sections will be added against those people, and action will be taken against them.
A strong message there going from Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis. Shivani, requesting you to stay on with us. In fact, we have more breaking